Hey, welcome back to Connector Academy. My name's Stefan, and today we're going to check out connectors that allow you to unplug cables. Big stuff. Let's get into it. DTHD connectors are designed for high current automotive, things like power feeds, high load devices, and chassis level connections, where DT and DTP just aren't enough. DTHD stands for Deutsch Thermoplastic Heavy Duty. The smallest DTHD connector uses a size 12 pin, just 25 amps, just like a DTP connector. The next size up uses a size 8 contact for 60 amps capability. And then there's the largest one, size 4, with an absolutely insane ability for 100 amps continuous. Here's a side-by-side comparison with a 4-gauge marine cable. Because of their size, DTHD terminals can handle serious current, but current rating always depends on wire gauge, termination quality, and duty cycle, not just the connector. Because DTHD connectors don't have a TPA like the other connectors that retain the terminals, these use different types of tools to depin. Here you can see size 12, size 8, and the enormous size 4. The plastic tool on screen is also a size 12. It's just a different type of depinning tool. I prefer the metal ones, but you do have to be a little more careful. This is how the depinning tool works. It slides in between the plastic and the metal, and it holds back some teeth, sometimes requiring you to twist it slightly. Here's a look in the backside of a number 4. You can see the 3 tangs, and then the tool is inserted and it just pushes those back to release the pin. Again, sometimes it requires slight rotation of the tool. And the plastic depinning tools work exactly the same way. They're just a little more fragile, and you do have to be a little more careful with them. Most of the time the seals are going to accommodate pretty much any cable you use, but sometimes you do have to double check the diameter. Size 12 just uses standard crimp. You can see this in action in the DTP video. Click the card above to go to that video now. Size 8 and size 4 terminals require actual crimpers. I personally like using a hydraulic crimper. There are quite a few different types that can crimp these. Ideally, you have a hex crimp. Crimping done poorly can cause the pin to become jammed in the housing and making it impossible to depin. I personally prefer the Tempco hydraulic crimpers. They work really well. They come with a whole bunch of dies that fit just about anything you're going to do in a car normally. They fall shy of 3/0 and 4/0, but you can probably buy the dies for them. First, I'll demonstrate what not to do. So here is a cable having a hard time fitting all the strands inside the barrel of a number 4. As you can tell, it's kind of bird caging. There's a couple strands on the outside, and that's a no-go. I found a leftover piece of welding cable from the chemical test video, and it's marked 4-gauge, but well, like most welding cable, it's not actually 4-gauge. But it'll work for this demonstration. Plus, I don't have any use for crimping this together right now, so this is just going to be garbage when I'm done. But anyways, all you do is put the cable in between the hex guys, draw the jaws down till they're snug, then make sure everything's aligned, and then go ahead and finish pumping the handle until the dies touch. There's no need to murder this thing shut. Just close it up and then give a firm tug on the connection and make sure that it's solid. As you can tell, to release it, you just turn the knob to the left. That relieves the hydraulic pressure, and here you can see the beautiful hex crimp. And as you can tell, that ain't going nowhere. So let's assemble this thing so we can see how it works. And now let's de-pin it. Now pay attention to this part, because this could be really annoying if you don't know why this is happening. If you put the seal in and then try to place the wire in, it is super hard to put in. It's not even worth trying that hard. Always put the seal on the cable first. Then it'll snap right in and you can just push the seal up. You're all set. Check out the rest of the playlist for Connector Academy. We'll see you later. Peace.